Milk truck comes and hooks up to this spout here, takes that pipe off, and then he empties the tank, turns the wash on over here after he hooks up this pipe, and then while it's washing, the milk goes in the buffer tank here until the wash is all done, and then that tank empties into the bottom of this tank. It fills from the bottom up, and then when it's got the buffer tank empty, then that runs a wash. So then we'll show you it filling up.
That's what it looks like when the milk is coming into the tank for the first time. Milk truck was here, I don't know, a little over an hour ago. Looks like it just fills the bottom of the tank. It's touching the paddle now. Still coming. Guess a cow just got done in the robot, so now there's more milk.